Hey guys, so I made a video. I haven't made these in a while, so I just filmed it with my sister. A little hot and sticky. Here you go. Enjoy the video. Catch me later. There's a few other videos on the other site, which is For Anime TV, right here. Go ahead, take a look at those. They're amazing. I know I always put this on here, but go for it. Alright? See you.
Electrolytes mix. You know I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
Can't nothing handle me right now. I see you together, let's get 'em. I own the night and I don't need no help. Gotta be the villain that Scarface there. Starting going wild, can't handle this pair. Life for the club, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just bail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, standing on chairs. Fall out, cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out, so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the business. They're watching, I know this. I'm rocking, I'm rolling, I'm holding. I know it, you know it.
I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
Yeah, FYI, I'm the shit. Better find you a toilet and try to sit. Or find you a style if you kinda pissed. I'm on en fuego, hot as shit. But my game is colder. Big league, bro, get your semi-pro up. Yeah, you're sick, but I got pneumonia. Chick from Spain, call her Barcelona. Damn, you cold name. Lot cooler than my old name. You over there with them old lanes. Stop staring at my clothes, man. Cause you ain't him, you on the outside, tryna look in. I'm on stage, they all won't in. And the money just started and the shit won't end.
To make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now.
Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, let's celebrate now. Put your hands up, you know who shut 'em.